military doing a little flyby over King of the Hammers. Epic. Because of them boys, we get to do all this awesomeness out here. Alright, time to back Jesse out of here. Yeah, buddy. Yeah. You literally could back straight all the way down. Ooh, it's getting windy again. Sick. Heck yeah, dude. It's so pretty out here. Yeah. Isn't it?
It's pretty rad.
I thought we were going to tip over a little bit ago.
I'm like, oh no.
You grabbed, oh no. Okay, let's see where we're at on the map.
Right here.
All right.
Camp.
So we went up through those mountains right through there, and we're just slowly making our way back on the other side. Sun is set. It's about to get dark, get cold. We might have. We've been. It's minor. I smacked the suspension pretty good up there. We'll see. Yeah. But she's looking good. Yep. All right. All right, as you can see, it is officially dark outside. They still have some racing going on in the infield. We are now going to be cooking some dinner. For tonight, are going to be making some chicken flautas with some rice and some beans. And we got the old air fryer going. We're going to get the ice machine going. Oh, we got some trail mix right over here. See the trail mix right there? Those were the whoop section. Clean coffee pot. This thing looks like it's almost done. So yeah, we got, this is where a lot of charging goes down. You know, GoPros, charging friggin' blocks, radios for communications, more charging, just all kinds of charging. All about energy out here. Energy consumption. Boom, big old firework. Look at this right here, this unicorn. What is this thing? I don't know what it's got coming out of its hind end, but kind of silly. Yep. Looks like a city out there, doesn't it? Just a crazy little city. But nope, that's a lake bed. A dirt infested lake bed. Chocolate Thunder way out in the back. Just creeping in the dark. Here he comes. Let's start some dinner. Rice and beans and chicken flautas with baby Swiss.
Oh, baby Swiss?
Baby Swiss. What do you think? Some baby Swiss? No, don't fill up before supper. Don't do it. You're gonna get all up in your beard.
We'll save it for later.
Here, you can have some of those lentils. Yeah. I brought those to just in case we get trapped. Just in case we get trapped rock climbing somewhere and we're about to die, we can maybe eat that. Grossness. All right, let's cook. It is dinner time. Let's look at this sucker. Look at that. Rice, beans, all the protein groups. Dude, this thing is, you're gonna blow up my freaking trailer toilet.
Nah, I could just go right to Hammertown. I could blow up them stalls, man.
Go hammer town, dude.
I'm gonna give them a taste of me.
Little rice, dude. Little beans. Some chicken flautas and queso. Oh, it's so good. All right, boys and ladies and gents and women and men. Manja. Freaking look out the window and somebody's smudge pot just blew up.
Probably choose
It was way worse.
Oh, there's
but...
two of them right there. They're right next to each other.
Geez, just trying to enjoy a little dinner. Smudge pots are catching on fire. It's not how you use a smudge pot properly. Can't put fuel in them. Fireworks just always going off. We got the full moon out here. Got gas in the smudge pot. What is happening? Right? No, we burn a lot of diesel. All right, so right now I'm sitting on the edge of the road because one of my good buddies is finally rolling in. My buddy Chris Risley. Check him out, Riz Designs. He's got a YouTube page that he's trying to get going, thriving, etc. But he's going to be camping with me for the rest of King of the Hammers. So we're going to be out here for another week, and I'm friggin' excited. Yes, he's coming down the road right now as we speak. He's got a monster of a freaking trailer. All right, here he is, big old beast. Let's do it. So, always try to meet up with your buddies on the road because it's like finding a needle in a haystack. I'm like, hey, we're by that one trailer on the dirt road. Yeah, it's tough. So always pick out landmarks. My landmarks are those white pole lights right there and this wedge trailer. Perfect right there. They partied hard down in Turkey Claw. You getting towed back some busted front knuckles. Watch, that one's gonna be hot. Yeah, let it cool. Not worth it. You don't have a fucking bucket of burnt ham. So broke off the frame mount? Oh yeah, she did. Yep.
Nobody got a tie down or a ratchet strap?
Not on us.